Welcome to my channel. You see, where's your hand? Where's your hand? This is my egg. Very well. This is my sauce. This is my black pepper. This is my curry leaf. This fresh curry leaf. You can see pepper. Just small cubes. Just a little. And coffee. I like the smell. The smell of green pepper. You can see the way I'm cutting it. Small, small. So we go around. The way I cut it. You see, thank you for watching. The one I'm putting it. You see my bird? The one I'm putting it. In between. In between the bird. You are watching with me. You can see it's moving. I'm about to turn it. Now, getting ready to turn it because it's half done. I want to turn to the other side. That aspect of it. You see? Okay. The first thing I'm going to use is this 6 tomatoes. I have to lower my light. Use 9 tomato on it. You see, after then, you use spoon and level it. Please subscribe to my channel, and the good Lord will bless you. Now, I'm going to go with the red pepper. First of all, green pepper. Green pepper on it. This green pepper. This is my green pepper. After the green pepper, now my onions. You see, onions, red onions. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you very much. Now the red pepper. Look at the red pepper. You see the red pepper? Red pepper. Okay. Because of this, I'm going to roll it now. Let me put a bit sauce. I'm going to put a bit sauce so that it will have that. Just a big sauce. Not big. A big sauce. I'm going to put a big sauce, okay? Another little black pepper. Black pepper. You see it? Black pepper on it so that it will look beautiful and have a very good taste. For rolling on it, we're going to roll it like this. We're going to bring it together like this. You see the way I'm rolling it. 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 Now bring it together. You see it? You see it? You see it? And see how the inside is like. Join me as you cut it. You see? This is my breakfast. Look at the inside. Wow, it's beautiful. Hey, thank you, Jesus. It's beautiful. Did you like it? Please subscribe to my channel and the good Lord will bless you. Thank you very much for watching. You're welcome. The way I cut it, you see it? You like the inside? Very attractive, very beautiful. Look at the bread I made today. Very delicious. You can see the front. You see how it's like. You see it? You see the mouth? Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you very much. Keep it on. I'll be giving you a good and attractive and delicious breakfast, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, okay? Thank you.